Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Spider-Man step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I draw his eyes. I love drawing and painting Spider-Man. Trying to draw and paint with me. Now, I'm drawing his head. I'm drawing the first part of spider web like this. I'm drawing more webs. Finally, I draw the other part of his webs. Good job! Now, I use this black marker to make this Spider-Man more visible. Let's paint. Red. I use red color for his face. Awesome! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Black. I use black color for his eyes. Amazing Spider-Man! See you on the next video.